teachers, this is Katie again. Today we're going to talk about accuracy, words and sentences. So you're going to learn how to teach words and sentences. Let's start. I brought 8 different activities today. Wake up, prepositions, do you like, and some chant, group dictation, card matching game, strip story, sleeping penguins. So are you ready? First activity is called wake up. So in wake up, we're going to use a lot of action verbs. Did I mention that I love TPR? I love movement. I love to move with my students. So in this activity, you and your students are going to move around. Imagine that you tote, jump, run, walk, and clap. These are action verbs. So it's better to get used to those words with actions. So this is the direction. You can tell them, oh, when teacher says walk, then you walk. You know, walk. When teacher says stop, then you stop. Walk, stop. Okay? And when teacher says jump, then you jump. And when the teacher says clap, what do you have to do? You clap. Okay. Walk, stop, jump, clap. Let's try. Clap, walk, stop, jump, walk, jump, clap, walk. So students use the space in your classroom and they walk around and they do the actions. But because they have to do the actions, they listen very carefully. Okay? And they learn all the words very quickly. Okay? And you can change the words like this: sing, dance, jump and run. So when I say sing, you sing. La 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 la. When I say dance, you dance. Okay? If you want to make it a little bit difficult, then you can try with the opposite way. I mean, you say, when I say walk, you stop. Okay? When I say stop, then you walk. When I say jump, you clap. When I say clap, you jump. Okay? Let's try. Walk, stop, jump, clap, clap, stop. Okay? All right. Next activity is called hands in and hands out. Sometimes we have to teach prepositions, right? Up, down, in, out. Now you taught these 4 prepositions in your class. Maybe you can use some objects, like a box and an eraser. Then you put it inside, then say in, and you take it out and say out. You put it like up and put it down, right? But it's better that you use your body parts. How? You can try with this jump in, jump out. This is the variation of this activity. Actually, jump in is like you make a circle. Okay, you make a circle with your student. And you say, jump in, we jump in. Go, jump in, jump in. Jump out, jump out. Jump left, jump left. Jump right, jump right. Ready? Okay, jump left, jump left. Jump in, jump in. Jump out, jump out. Jump left, jump left. Jump right. So students move according to what you're saying. But this is a little bit different. You're going to use your hands. So make a circle like before. Let's make a circle. Make a circle, round and round, round and round, round and round. You can sing a song like this and make a circle and hands. Everybody please shake, shake, shake. Shake your hands in the air. Okay. Please, hands up, hands down, hands in, hands out. Okay? Hands up, hands down, hands out, hands up, hands down, hands in. Okay, this is how you use action verbs and prepositions. Okay, but if you want to make it a little bit different, this time it's the same. Do the opposite of what the teacher says. Okay, so teacher says hands up, then you do hands down. Okay, when teacher says hands down, you put your hands up. When teacher says hands in, you put your hands out. When teacher says hands out, you put your hands in. Okay, let's try. Hands in, hands out, hands up, hands down, hands out, hands up. Oh. When I say hands up, you have put your hands down, right? So this is how you play hands in and hands out. You can change with your change body parts like leg up, leg down, leg in, leg out. Okay? When you cover your book, you're going to meet this kind of pattern. Do you like something? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Or do you want something? In this case, you can use this activity. Do you like? What you need is flashcards. Okay, so I have some flashcards here. I have elephant, bear, giraffes, lions, monkeys, and more. You can put more. Okay. Put the flashcards on the table or on the floor. And then have your student sit around the flashcard. Okay, make a circle. And then one student answers only. Okay, yes or no. But the other students take turns asking questions like this. Do you like elephant? And the students, let's say A, okay, the answerer, A says, no, I don't. The next student asks the question, do you like monkeys? And A says, no, I don't. The next student says, ask questions, do you like bears? And A says, yes, I do. And everybody should touch the card. Okay? Oh, this is the picture for your understanding. So these are the students. They're sitting or standing in a circle. And in the middle, you put the flashcards. Here I put banana, mango, melon, apple, pear, peach. And then this student asked the question, do you like strawberries? And A says, no, I don't, and pass. Do you like mangoes? No, I don't, pass. Do you like pears? No, I don't. Do you like peaches? Yes, I do. And then slap the cards together, okay? Next activity is chant. Do you chant a lot in your class? I love chanting because I'm not good at singing. It's easy that you can make chant. Imagine that you taught these 4 words: dad, mom, sister, and brother. You can just put the words in the chant, adding some clapping or jumping. Sometimes you can add up spelling out, okay? We'll show you. Dad, dad, mom, mom, sister, sister, brother, brother, dad, dad, mom, mom, sister, sister, brother, brother. Yay! So instead of clapping, you can do jumping. Let's try. Dad, dad, mom, mom, sister, sister, brother, brother. Okay? You can change the actions. This time, you're going to do spelling too. Okay? Dad, 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 dad. D-A-D. Mom, 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 mom. M-O-M, clap. Sister, 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 sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, clap. Brother, 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 brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, clap. Okay? All right. So they can learn spelling as well as moving. That was chant. Next activity is called group dictation. So you know what dictation means, right? Whatever they listen, they have to write them down, right? All the words they are heard, they have to write down. But this time, you teach some words like mom, dad, or sister, brother. Okay, now they learn how to say and they practice spelling. They know how to write them, okay? Students, you put students in 2 groups. Group 1 and group 2, and give this kind of small whiteboard. Whiteboard for team A, whiteboard for team B. And then they line up, then you say, sister. The first students from each team, they come to the front, they have to write S. And then go back. The second students from each team come to the front, and then they write I. And third student, S. And next student, T-E-R. Okay, so they do the dictation, but they write only 1 letter each. So it's not very difficult for students. Also, students in the same team, they can help each other. So please try. Next one, memory game. I think you tried this a lot with your student, but I will tell you how you use them in an easy way. Okay, I usually make different color card sets, like this orange and green. I just cut, A4 size color paper, cut into 8 pieces and laminate them. Then put Post-it here. I write down a potato because last time I taught singular words and plural words. A lemon, lemons. Pineapple, a pineapple, pineapples. So I put here a tomato, and there must be tomatoes, right? And also a pineapple and pineapples. You write down all the words here, and then now you know how to play, right? One student flip it over, and they have to say the word. A cherry. And he or she flips another card from the green part, and it's strawberries. Are they matching? No. A cherry, strawberries, no. So you flip back. And then next person, pick another card from each side. Okay. Sometimes students cannot read words. Then you can put the picture. You know, when you have like course books or phonics books, you always can find this kind of, you know, flashcards, little flashcards. So you can put this flashcard here and then tape it. Then you can put them over there. Then students can find the right pictures. If you teach grammar, you can use this matching card matching game for finding like basic verb and past tense. Swim and swam, right? Also, you can use contractions like he is and his. We will, okay? So you can use this game for grammar. That was memory game. All right. Number 7 is street story. This game is a little bit difficult for students. So you can use it a little bit higher level students, not like the beginners. Okay, you are going to pick a short story or a dialogue from your book. And then you're going to write each sentence from the story on a strip of paper. Look at this. The strip of paper. I wrote everything, and then you mix the strip and give the strip to the student. Okay, and each student read out their strip. And then the group discusses and works out how the strip should be assembled. Which one goes first and which one goes next. And then they have to find the whole story in line. Okay. Okay, let's see. Look at this. I picked this story. It says, be careful. Oh, thank you. What are they? They are hens. They are not hens. They are ducks. I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines on the strips of paper. And then I mix. Then I give this strip to students. And the students, they read and put them in order. What comes first? Be careful. And what comes next? Oh, thank you. What comes third? What are they? Right? What are they? And then fourth one is they are hens. They're hens. Oh, they're not hens. They are ducks. So if the student put them in this order, then they're right. Okay. If you want to make this activity a little more difficult, then you need scissors. you're going to cut the sentence somewhere, okay, in the middle of the sentence, like, oh, thank you. Then I will cut, oh, thank, and you, okay? And be careful, be and careful. They are, maybe they are hands. They're not hands. You cut anywhere, okay, you want. Okay. All right, now you have the pieces of sentences, right? Okay. Give these pieces of sentences to your student, so the group have to work on. They have to find the piece of the sentence. Dogs, right? Dogs. Oh, thank dogs. Make sense? Oh, thank dogs? No. Oh, thank you. Right. Oh, thank you. And then they put them here. Be dogs. Be our hands. No, no. Be careful, right? Be careful. Find them together, and they are, make sense? Our hands. They are our hands? No. They are dogs. And what? Our hands? No. What are they? What are they? Then you put them together, and they are not our hands? No, no, no. They are not hands, right? Put it here, and they are hands. They're the last pieces together. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 words. Oh, sorry, 6 sentences. Now, what they have to do is find the right order. What comes first? Be careful. Of course, you don't show this one, okay, to your student. They have to memorize everything here, okay? Be careful, and then, oh, thank you. What comes next? What are they? And, oh, they're dogs. And Hans says they're not. Oh, no, 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 no. They are hands, right? They're hands. And the hand says, oh, they're not hands, they're dogs. Ta-da! Then they complete the whole story, okay? It takes a little bit of time, but this is the task that they have to solve. So while doing this task, they learn how to put words together to make sentence, and how to put the sentences to make a short story. That was street story. The last activity is called Sleeping Penguin Game. Can you see the penguins? How many penguins are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we need 4 penguins. What you have to do is to make groups of 4. So 4 people, 4 students in a group. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And then give numbers. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're number 1, you're number 2, you're number 3, you're number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Ready? So everybody please go to sleep. Okay? You have to sleep. No peeking. Don't look at me, okay? Don't look at the screen. Please sleep. Put your head down, sleep. Okay. Everybody sleeping, right? No peeking. Number 1. Only number 1 wake up. Number 1. No, number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Please remember. Okay. Shh. Don't tell. No talking. Okay, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Number 2. Number 2, wake up. Number 2. You ready? Okay. Number 2. Memorize it, okay? This is your word. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Okay, number 3, wake up. Number 3. Number 3. Okay. Go to sleep. Number 4, wake up. Number 4. Ready? All right. Okay. Okay. Everybody, wake up. Everybody wake up. Now, please talk to your group members and find out the sentence that I wrote down here. Okay? And you have the paper. Please write the answer on your paper and hold it up. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me. Okay, okay. Let's see. What are they? You need question mark. Okay? Everyone has the same answers, right? Good job. Great. Okay. So this is how you do the sleeping penguins. I just put word by word, right? But if the students are good enough, you can put sentences. So they have to memorize the whole sentence. And then make a short passage like with 4 sentences. So it really depends on your students' level. That was sleeping penguins. Oh, that was the last activity that we did together. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you again. Bye!